Good morning to everyone present over here, especially to Pradeep sir and Pragya ma'am. Thank you so much for being here and taking out the time for us. Um, it's a great pleasure to have all the mentors today since it's iLead's 10th Founders Day and Teachers Day. So, what a day! I mean, iLead was founded on Teachers Day. It's such an amazing opportunity to celebrate it for the first time ever digitally. All I want to say is we always find opportunities to go to our teachers for our doubts. But today we found the opportunity to celebrate our love, our respect, our dignity for them, and how much like we care about them. And definitely, we're never going to leave this opportunity for any kind of circumstances. So here we are celebrating our first ever Digital Teachers Day. Henceforth, I open this celebration and here we have a little surprise for you from someone.
As the theme for this important day is Vibgyor, because a teacher can be a guide, a friend, and much more. Without colors, this world and our life will be dull and dry. Similarly, without a teacher, whatever we learn is a complete lie. A teacher teaches with as much passion and enthusiasm as the color red, trying to explain a single point several times until their voice is dead. As the color orange is a combination of yellow and red, signifying creativity and practicality through its dynamism, a teacher is one who exactly makes us understand how to mold that knowledge together into a playful rhythm. Yellow represents clarity of energy, thought, and wisdom by being the color of sunshine. Yet inside the classroom, we are given the freedom to share with our teachers whatever is in our minds. Growth, health, and wealth is defined by the color green, and there is an inexpressive bond shared by a student and teacher within. The fifth color, being blue, makes us always think of the unknown. And the amazing person I have become today, my teachers are the one I owe. Sky and oceans, being of the color blue, associates it with divinity, and the temple of knowledge, being ruled by the teacher, brings in spirituality. Indigo is a color which bridges the gap between finite and infinite. Likewise, a teacher's world revolves around their students, innocent and bright. These colored gems are often used for psychic abilities and self awareness. It is a teacher who creates in our minds each and every base. Violet, being the last color of the rainbow, can be associated with sorrow, and we never appreciate the hard work of our teachers, from whom all the learnings, thoughts, behavior, and understandings we borrow. Whenever we see a rainbow, the first word which comes out of our mouth is a wow. So let us today acknowledge the efforts, emotions, and time our teachers put in for us by bending down our respective heads in the form of a bow. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to everyone.
Thank you so much. Can we see you? Finally, we know you. Who are you actually? But can we see you on screen?
Surely you can. Hello everyone. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello,
Hello,
Rohit.
Thank
Rohit.
you, Rohit.
After a
Thank
long
you.
time,
Rohit.
Rohit.
Hello, Rohit.
Hi, Rohit.
So nice to
Nice
see
to
you,
see
Rohit.
you,
Hi.
Rohit.
Hello,
Hi,
Rohit.
Rohit.
Hello, Pragya ma'am. It is so nice to see you guys as well.
Thank you
Happy
so
I
Teachers
much,
Day to
really
you
didn't
all.
Pragya.
realize
You.
that
Thank
it's
you.
you.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you,
Thank
Rohit.
you.
Thank you, Rohit.
Any initiative I'm a part of, I'm always associated with this human.
Yeah,
Jokes
you
apart,
should be. You should be great. You should be grateful, Archit, for that.
jokes apart. Yeah, we have been sharing stage for a long time now, and this is the second time we are sharing the screen also, like the Zoom screen, and it is
Yeah,
going
yeah,
live on
yeah.
Facebook.
It's been long. It's been 5 months since then, right?
Yeah,
I'm so
yeah.
happy. 3 years of my life I've spent in iLead, and it has been a journey of self-discovery. And I owe, as I said in my poem, also I owe many things of what I've become today to iLead. It has become a great. It will always be a part of me. And then seeing Pradeep sir, Pragya ma'am, and all my mentors over here. So a very happy Teachers Day. I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you for inviting me always and like still making me feel that I'm still a part of the family. So thank you so much.
Lovely, Rohit. Doesn't feel that you have left.
Yes, ma'am, it's been an year, but it feels like that it's just yesterday I graduated.
Thank you so much, Rohit, for being here. It is always great to have you with us.
No, it
And
was, sorry, I would like to mention that, it was great how you this entire video theme of this particular celebration with the teachers. I really liked it. It was really
Rohit,
nice.
where are you right now? Are you in
Thank you.
Calcutta?
Thank you so much.
Where
Yes,
are
ma'am,
you,
I'm in
Rohit?
Calcutta right now. I'm back to Calcutta right now. I'll be leaving soon. Let's see once the situation is a bit okay. But until then, I'm here only.
so, Rohit, as you told, our gurus are everything for us, and it is the 10th Founders Day, like, of iLead. So, do you have something to say about it? Like, you've been here since the growth of it.
Yeah, so I joined iLead in 2016, and I still remember the second campus was still like building, and I entered the college. I saw only the first campus because the second campus was not yet built. And then few days before, I got to know that there's a third campus also which is going to open, and then the Chinatown has enlarged and everything. And I came in March. I returned back to Kolkata in March, and I was just waiting that I'll visit iLead. I'll see what has happened, what the changes have happened. But then obviously we are in lockdown from then.
Yeah.
But I, since like 2016 to 2019, those 3 years, I have seen not me as a person grow, but I've seen iLead as a college grow. And it feels so nice when you being a part of that college for 3 years, roaming around the corridors, meeting each and every person, and then you're seeing that it has been expanded, it is reaching great heights. So I still remember, like, obviously, last year also you guys celebrated Founders.
I think there's a glitch. Arjun, are you there?
Yeah, I cannot hear Rohit.
Yeah,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
I think that there are some audio issues with Rohit. You continue, Ananya. He will join in.
Okay, so it was really nice having him, and sorry for the digital issue. Uh, as Rohit told, our gurus, our mentors are everything, and it iLead and our mentors are not possible without Pradeep sir, the great father figure of iLead and the visionary behind iLead. Well, iLead means Pradeep sir and his contribution, and obviously Pragya ma'am's execution. And on this note, I will request Pradeep sir to just look at something very wonderful that we've created. Samantha, please.
Okay, thank you very much. Uh,
Hello, all. Wishing all the mentors a very, very happy Teachers' Day and congratulations for 10th Founders Day. My goodness, it's just like a blink of an eye and my college life is over. I have created memories which I'm going to cherish throughout my life. Throughout. Thank you for this opportunity. And mentors, you are the real pillars. You are the real pillars, the strong ones who have always encouraged us. Pradeep sir, thank you for being an inspiration and you will remain a great inspiration for us. And Pragya ma'am, thank you for all the kind of challenges you used to give us. This gave us an understanding and to explore our capabilities and understand that yes, we can do it. And mentors who used to help us with these challenges, they're like, sky is not the limit, go for it. To the students here, you have got friends in the form of mentors. So make most of it, make a lot of memories. Trust me, when you will be into this corporate world, you're going to cherish this. This exposure was really needed and you need such kind of experience in your life to cope up with anything. And great thank you again to all the mentors who have built us up like this and to cope up in any situation. Wishing you all the best and again a very happy Teachers' Day. Hope to stay connected.
Hi, all the mentors and teachers out there, and also all the viewers watching this. So, we all know that today is Teachers' Day and the 10th Founders Day. So, whenever we recall about the name behind iLead and its institution, the first name that comes forward is Pradeep sir. So, sir, I haven't had that much of personal interaction with you, but whatever whatever the classes of yours taught me, be it soft skill classes or be it the real estate classes. Sir, you have always been the epitome of perfection. Sir, like if you call about your vision towards this institution and your motto, sir, it's all something which I've never ever thought about. Now coming to Pragya ma'am, so ma'am, you have always been the constant support and the guidance that this college needed. If you talk about your favorite and the most admired skill that you have is of working with zero error policy. So ma'am, I believe when I'm sitting here at this corporate world and out of my bubble of life, I'm totally able to relate what you meant at that point of time. We all know ma'am that at that point of time it was very difficult for all of us to make the event successful and as that you have told us to do. We all had some difficulties, but at the end ma'am, when the event was successful, we all saw the happiness, we all saw the successful moments of the events, be it annual day, be it managerial, everything was a blast under your guidance ma'am. Thank you for it. I'm actually using those skills that you both have taught to me in this college and implementing that in my real life. And till now, my seniors, my managers are really happy with the way I work. All credit goes to you both, ma'am. Now coming to the mentors of this college, my favorite part of the college. So if you talk about any of the mentors, be it Anandita ma'am, Devashish sir, Anumit sir, Pampa ma'am, Ishita ma'am, all the mentors that have taught to me, and also all the mentors that have never taught to me. Ma'am, I have learned something or the other with each and every one of you. So, like for example, like 3 months ago, I had some difficulties regarding my professional guidance. So I just rang up Anirudh sir and just asked him about the problem and its solution. So sir, you were like pretty generous, and I'm really thankful to you. And I'm pretty sure this was just the first incidents that I had at post college about the help needed from my previous mentors. And I'm pretty sure, ma'am, you all and sir, you all will always be there to guide each and every one of us. And we are really happy to be there under your guidance. This was not just for the 3 years of my college life. It was and it will be, I think, for the rest of my lives. All thanks to you, ma'am and sir. It was a wonderful year, and I hope that I do get an opportunity to come and speak up and meet you all guys in real in the coming future, because I'm still left with the farewell. Just waiting for the day when we all meet and have an official and a final goodbye and the wish for the future. That's it, ma'am. Thank you for everything that you have done to all of us. Have a nice day, and that would be from my side. Thank you.
The capability of an institution can never be judged by counting the number of people associated with it. But it can always be judged with the help of the love and respect that the people associated are having for the institution. And that feeling of others can never be gifted. That is gained with the help of dedication and hard work that the people who are running the institution are devoting. Thus, on this auspicious day of Teachers' Day and Founders' Day of iLead, I would like to give all my love and respect to Pragya ma'am and Pradeep sir, the two main persons who are continuously contributing towards this institution. They are giving all their time, devoting all their ideas behind this organization to put forward us, the students, in the professional life, in our career, in our personal life. They are actually making our life better. Along with that, I would like to thank and wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my loving and friendly mentors. Without them, college life would never have been this easy. They have always made us feel as if we are in the second home. We have actually found friends, but not just teachers, with whom we could share all our problems, even including the personal problems. They had always give us solutions that could make our life better. A very, very thank you to all of you for making us stand here today and talk about it. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thanks a lot for contributing so much in our lives, and I pray on this Founders Day that iLead grows more and more every year.
That was really heartwarming. Thank you so much to all the alumni for being a part of this. It has been really amazing having you all here. iLead has been a foundation. It has let us meet all you teachers, and it has been amazing working with Pragya ma'am and Pradeep sir, and knowing iLead for so long has been amazing. And on this note, I will request Pradeep sir to share a few words with us.
Thank you so much. It's a very, very, what should I say, a nostalgic and a great milestone in the journey of iLead, the 10th year, and whatever success, whatever we have been able to achieve would not have been possible without the full involvement and support of all the stakeholders, which means the teachers, the mentors, the students, the non-teaching staff, the well-wishers, the parents. Everyone in their own way has contributed. We had been very lucky that we got such a nice, such an enthusiastic, such a motivated stakeholders. And today I thank you from the core of my heart for making it possible and taking iLead to these heights and complete this 10-year journey. We have a long way to go because we have started with a mission to become one of the best, one of the most premier institute, not only in India but worldwide. The journey may seem very long and impossible, but इंशाल्लाह हम लोग पहुंच जाएंगे. अगर इसी रफ्तार में चलते रहे तो जरूर पहुंचेंगे. और अभी recently we have got a big boost. New education policy has come, which is going to give us a lot of liberty which we were waiting for. And there's a good possibility that not only iLead but a very big revamp will happen in the Indian education system. The new education policy envisioned that not only India will be able to provide very high quality education at a very affordable price to Indian students, but we should be able to attract students from other countries the way we used to do at the time of Takshila and Nalanda, and even as recent as post-independence area when a lot of Indian institutes used to attract foreign students. I think that's absolutely possible. Given a free hand, we Indians are able to achieve any kind of success. We had proved that in our IT industry, we have proved in our telecommunication industry. And the other day, I was listening to the interview of some of the Indian CEOs, including Sundar Pichai, and I heard Larry Page say that Sundar Pichai is much more smarter than me, and that's why he holds the post of CEO of Google. And you will be surprised to know Sundar Pichai, mother was a stenographer and father was working in the railways. And the first time he boarded a flight was when he was going to America to join Stanford University, and for which his father has to borrow money from the bank. Such is the ability of Indian students to achieve these kind of heights. I'm sure some of our students will achieve these kind of heights, and our institute will be able to produce such students who, with sheer grit and sheer ability and desire to excel against all odds, will be able to reach such heights. I'm already seeing such fire in the belly of many of our students, and I am sure these students will make us proud in times to come. So with that, I wish you all the very best. Once again, I want to convey my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for making this journey possible and to bring iLead from where we started 23 students in the first batch to, I think this year we will touch 600 students in a matter of 10 years, which is, I think, no less means, very few institutions have been able to achieve this kind of record of from 23 to 600 in 10 years time. We had been able to do. I don't think it was possible unless everyone had contributed with the best of their ability. So once again, thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you so much, sir. This was really motivating for us to push our limits. So I always had this question to you. One of the biggest assets of iLead is our mentors, right, sir? So how do you always manage to find the best for us? And also, what are the 5 things that you absolutely love about our mentors in iLead?
See, what should I say? See, it is not finding a great people. Each one of us has greatness and each one of us has not so much greatness. Yeah. It is the ecosystem. It is the environment which you create where we are able to work with our greatness, or our greatness get manifested, or our greatness doesn't get manifested. I personally feel that somehow we had been able to create that kind of ecosystem, that environment, so that not only the mentors, but even the students. See, I keep on telling that what is a great thing in IIT, you get the best, the cream de cream of the country. And if you put those cream de in country in a jungle or in a middle of the Registan where nothing is there, they'll still excel because these are people who want to be the great, great. They have something different because they are selected from, the best of the Indian. The challenge of the institute is that students who looks mediocre, who doesn't fit into it, you take them and then make them compete and outshine IITians. That is the contribution of the institution. Yeah, so we had been able to do that. Our first batch students who were basically not interested in education, or who were not, so keen and all that, who were laid back, whose parents said, I don't know whether they'll be able. Now, if those students are able to excel and beat the so-called IITians, that's the achievement of the institute. Now, I would rather say that we should make that kind of ecosystem where everyone is able to excel. Made the mentors, made students, made the non-teaching staff, made, even the visitors who are coming, they get inspired. They go back very much inspired. See, so we had been able to do this kind of ecosystem, and thankfully everyone has been contributed. See, it will not happen unless everyone is involved into making it happen. Yeah, it's one person cannot do it. So I think we had been able to do this kind of magic ecosystem where everyone once come in, start functioning like a leader. Yeah, so thankfully everyone has deserved the credit and everyone gets benefit out of it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It was a lovely answer. We have cumulatively done it for 10 years. God bless, we'll do it for the next 100 years or so.
See, my whole ambition is not only for iLead. See, iLead should do very well and iLead should do great things. But our ultimate role is that if we can showcase iLead as a model case, and if we can inspire the entire education system of the country and everyone does better, so that the whole education experience or education system of the country goes to the next level, and everyone, all our youth, whether they are studying in iLead or they are studying in any other institute, they all get benefit because somebody showed the way, somebody set an example, somebody raised the bar. Yeah, and every youth is going to be benefited because of that. That is the real achievement of iLead. Yeah, we'll show the whole world, and maybe seeing the Indian examples, people will follow the Indian examples in the rest of the countries. So we are we can achieve that if we can really put our heart and soul and yes, we'll make it happen.
Thank you so much, sir, for your lovely words. Ananya, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your lovely words. It was lovely listening to you. Well, our gurus, our mentors are everything to us, and they owe us a lot. I mean, we can't even just say thanks and just leave it, because what their contribution is, it's insane. And on this occasion, just to celebrate this relationship of ours and to pay respect that we have for them, we have a little Guru Vandana for them by Ankana.
Is like Shiva, who is a destroyer. Guru destroy and get rid of the ignorance from the student's mind. Guru is one who is beyond all the attributes. Guru is one who can guide us to the supreme knowledge of that which pervades all the living and the non-living beings in the entire universe. I, Ankana Ghosh, be the third year student and the CR of Section B. So as we are in the final year, that is, this is our last Teachers' Day celebration in college in a unique way. So I am here presenting the invocatory item Guru Brahma. It's a Guru Vandana, a small honor of love and respect for all my mentors. Teachers' Day to all my mentors.
It was a lovely performance by Ankana, but so the formal part of the event is over, and as I'm here, so the next session would be pretty informal. So first things first, guys, we are also live on Facebook. So please share that and mention iLead Kolkata. And I think the world deserves to know what we are doing and how we are doing. And also, the chat section is open, so you cannot cheer like any other event, any other physical event, right? So please, comment in the chat section. And our teachers are also following the chat section. They will also get to know. And Ananya and I will also be reading out the important chats or the ones that are really good. So next thing is there is a surprise video for all our lovely BBA mentors.
Achal, before the surprise, should we just talk to our mentors? I think they're very sleepy morning, huh?
Yes, sure.
I think we have been sleepy in the class and they're sleepy today.
Love the moderators, by the way.
I was just looking at Bishudip sir. Bishudip sir is so sleepy. And this new hairstyle is amazing.
I tend to flaunt new hairstyles every Founders Day and Teachers Day. Last year I was in the Bhagat Singh look. This time it's different.
Epic, sir. Looking nice.
Thank you.
So this is a huge opportunity. This is the only day you guys speak so lovely about us. Those lovely words. Please say that, and I'll ask Somalda to please record it, and I'll put it up on my Facebook page and ask everybody to share it. So please tell something good about me at least.
No, of course. I tell good about all my students. All my students are my assets. Absolutely. Every single time I say good things about you. Then you don't need to record that statement, I guess.
Is Bishudip being politically correct?
Always, ma'am. Always. Every time. Ma'am, you please tell something good about me now, ma'am. Nobody is talking about me. I'm getting a bit jealous.
iLead students are always energetic in every aspect.
It's just not about you. Every
aspect, students are always energetic.
I think Ananya has said it, Archon, that this is not about you. You can't be all the time narcissistic, okay?
I'm always very narcissistic, ma'am. You know that.
Yeah, I know. But then, you are supposed to celebrate us today, not yourself.
Ma'am, we always celebrate you 365 days. We don't need a particular Teacher's Day to celebrate you.
Archon, the sheer fact that you are having to persuade everybody and still nothing is coming says a lot about you.
It's like, symptomatic of, the sad state of affairs.
Yes, ma'am. See, Mahima is also behind my...
Sujata, good one. Archon OP, good one.
Yeah, Mahima is also saying very nice things about Archon, that he's self-obsessed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, totally.
Ma'am, these are universal facts, ma'am.
And is this why you have chosen to host this show, as in co-host this show, because you wanted to hear good things about you?
No, he has also bought a box of chocolate to Astha so that Astha keeps on writing Archon, you're cute.
Okay.
No, ma'am. This is just so good of Astha, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
This is what is called classic boomerang, Archon. Like, you started...
I think Archon sees the world as an extension of himself. So, I
agree.
Yes.
Good one, Niraburi, good one. Very, very good one, actually.
Ma'am, I love getting roasted from you also. Ma'am, I chose this day.
No, you started somewhat.
You chose this day, okay. He chose this day but he just said that he wanted us to say good things because it seems that this is the only day we say good things about him.
No, Archon, why are you fishing for compliments? Why are you fishing for compliments?
Then again, are you sure, Shinni? Because are we saying good things about Archon even today?
No, I don't think so. I
heard
so also.
He's getting all the mentors together to say good things about him.
Okay, so
Yes,
so
Ashita, I
since
think
we have
that is his
roasted him
point.
so much, I think he deserves something good, okay? So like any good content creator, he threw himself on the railway line, on the track, knowing that he will be roasted, but in the end creating good content.
No, moreover, what happened, he made us speak out because we were more or less not speaking out, we were not talking.
Yes, another goal achieved.
Yeah, strategy.
So
I
everyone
think
woke up.
strategy, yes.
So end of the day, see, this is a compliment.
Yeah.
See, you get a compliment which you are fishing
So
for a
you
long
made
time.
all the mentors talk.
Yes, ma'am. This is the reason I'm in the social media club. Now I know Mom ma'am will come for my
God.
savior. She will be my savior all the time.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think
Arjun, we never knew that in BMS we have a particular chapter called strategy. I don't know when we taught you that.
And he's not into marketing specialization
Yeah,
also.
he's
He has
not even
taken
that.
the
Yeah.
specialization. He has taken filmmaking.
I am doing
this is-
Papa ma'am's class now, ma'am. So I'm getting to know a lot
Papa,
about
this is
Aishwarya ma'am.
teaching you environment.
It is ecology,
environment.
Yes,
Yeah.
Marima,
Environment.
branding is very important. That is what I teach you all the time, right?
Ma'am, I am taking notes of your class from Mahima as well. So I'm doing good, ma'am.
Oh, really? Oh, great.
Hey, Arjun, halka beshi ho jate.
Thank you, Arjun. Thank you. Moving on.
I think we should go back to the video.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Hard to teach the little minds. The way you have been sharing your knowledge makes you the best and special teacher to all of us. And I have no words to thank you, but wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day, Devashi.
A happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors, and special mention to Devashish sir, who has been an amazing mentor to me and to all of us. His in-depth knowledge and practical examples make all our classes engaging and interesting, and also the fact that we can always look up to him if we have any kind of problem, make him different and special. And also, if I have to explain him in one word, it would be the lender of the last resort.
Hello Ishita ma'am, I just wanted to wish you a happy Teachers' Day and thank you for all the knowledge and bearing with me throughout the math classes and made me love math a little bit more. So thank you for that.
So Ishita ma'am is one of the most helpful, patient and humblest person I have met in iLead. Like she has been my this go-to person in college since day one. Like maybe any problems I have regarding academics, college or anything else, I just run to her or just give her a call and she's always there to help me out with all of it. So thanks to you ma'am for helping me throughout with so many things, and also there's so much that I've learned from you within this very short span of time. And a big thanks to you for showing your faith in me. It really means a lot, and I hope that I won't let you down. And a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and mentors present over here.
Happy Teachers' Day to all our lovely mentors. On this occasion, I would like to start by talking about one of my very own favorite mentors, the very beautiful, caring, understanding with the right amount of strictness, Miss Anita Bose. Thank you so much, ma'am, for always believing in us even when we do not believe in ourselves, and for always encouraging us to be the best of us. We love you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
हैप्पी टीचर डे मैम. थैंक यू मैम, आप हम लोग को इतना सपोर्ट किए, इतना मोटिवेट किए हम लोग का ड्रीम के लिए. मैम आप बस हम लोग के लिए टीचर ही नहीं, हम लोग के दोस्त भी हो. अगर हम लोग से कभी कुछ गलती हो जाए तो प्लीज़ मैम हमें माफ़ कर देना. हैप्पी टीचर डे मैम.
Hello ma'am, a very happy Teachers' Day to you. Hope you are great as usual. Ma'am, I want to say is that like from Logic Gate to Live Gate, you have always inspired us. You're an amazing teacher and we are very lucky to have you as our mentor. One more thing I want to say is that I'll never forget that line when you said, if मैं ID card पहन सकती हूँ तो तुम लोग क्यों नहीं. So here it is. Thank you so much ma'am for tolerating us. We all love you, and once again a very happy Teachers' Day. Tada, stay safe.
Our very own batch coordinator, Mr. Anirudh Kundu. Thank you so much, sir, for always trying to expand our knowledge outside of textbook and for your words of wisdom. finally, I would like to end by thanking all our lovely mentors, because honestly, I wouldn't be where I am exactly right now without your support. So thank you so much, and happy Teachers' Day, and have a great day.
Thanks, sir. I hope this video finds you well. I just want to take 5 seconds of yours and thank you for the knowledge and the guidance that you have provided me during these 2 years in iLead. I will be eternally grateful for it, and I'm looking forward to more memories together. Once again, happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, Priyanka ma'am. I'm really grateful to have you as a mentor in iLead since day one. When it comes to teaching, you are really amazing. You make even the difficult things so easy for me to understand. Not only inside of the classroom but outside as well. Thank you so much. You are always there for helping me, whether it's about academics or it's about college. And I really want to wish you from the whole BBA 3B for always supporting and helping us in every aspect of our life. The whole BBA 3B love you a lot, ma'am. You always treated us as your children, not as adults. Thank you so much for all this. We really, really appreciate your efforts and are very, very happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors in iLead. Hello Priyanka ma'am, hope you are doing well. I want to tell you that you are a very great mentor and a guide for me. Thank you for always supporting me. This Teachers' Day, I want to wish you a day of joy and happiness. A very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. Thank you once again.
A very, very happy Teachers' Day to you, Jeanette sir. So when I came to know that you are our sports mentor, I always had a perception that sports teachers are a little bit strict and rigid. But when you came to our practices and the way you taught us, the way you interacted with us, it was so humble and so friendly. So it just completely changed my mindset of you being rigid and strict. And whenever we used to play not that well in our practices, you never scolded us in a very bad manner. You were always polite with us. So thank you very much, sir, for being so humble and so friendly with us. And happy Teachers' Day to you once again.
Is Pompa ma'am, who is also very sweet, and she's very supportive to all of us, and the kind of dedication she shows to teach us, she makes sure that even the last person in our class understand what she's teaching, then only she moves on, which makes her special. And to conclude, I would like to say that I have huge respect towards all the mentors who are taking the online classes, because I know it's quite difficult to grab attention of all the students at once, especially when the classes are going virtually. And then our mentors have done a fantabulous job. I mean, maybe that's the reason the teachers are not only called mentors but awakeners too.
And also I want to thank Ayan sir for your faith in me and motivating me to approach new endeavors, and you gave a beautiful insight on accounting. Thank you so much.
Hi Ayan, so by doing what you love, you inspire and awaken all our hearts. Thank you for being a great teacher and being an important part of my college life. Wish you very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning everyone. Few words or sentences would not describe our gratitude towards you, as you have enlightened our lives with the light of knowledge, curiosity and wisdom. Thanks again. We couldn't have pulled this off without you.
Very happy Teachers' Day. So after a 10 to 15 retakes, I've really thought that I'll stick to what I really feel about this day and not from anything which I've written or read off the internet, right? So I'm doing this because I really want to thank all the teachers, especially in iLead, because no matter whether we accept this or whether we say this enough or not, we are really, really thankful for the teachers we have got. Because if it weren't for the teachers of iLead, we wouldn't be the people we will become after college, or even for the fact that we are in college. The relation of a teacher and student is very candid. And so is my video. So I would really like to tell all of you that the students of this college are really thankful for everything that you have done. And the past few months have been really difficult because all the teachers are working around the clock, and we are almost completing all the syllabus on time, so that is there. And on a serious note, it's very difficult, but you guys have made it very easy for us, and the scenario out there is really it's really disturbing, but the college is functioning very smoothly. Our classes are going on very properly. So I would really like to take this moment to thank all of you, and I wish that we meet soon and we create good memories for the time which is left. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. This is Talha Utrab signing off.
Well, thank you so much for all the teachers who've been watching. I can see the chat box. It is filled with love and so much of care from all our teachers. Well, thank you so much. We should thank you, and your thank yous are coming in, and we are feeling overwhelmed today. It was just a bit, and there were a lot more students who want to tell a lot more things about all you teachers, but we did not have so much of time, so we could share only a few. And next time we have some entertainment for all you teachers. But before that, I would really request all the teachers to please turn on their cameras, please. We love to see all of you guys. The chat box is on. Please tell the mentors to turn on the cameras, everyone, please. Okay, so I would like to ask a few teachers, a few words from like the BBA teachers who got to know about the students. Urmi ma'am, can you please share a few words with us on the video?
No, it's thank you for whatever you have shown through the video. It's not only a single
Thank you,
day.
sir.
It's a very, very good one. It's a really good one. It's a
Yeah, really
really good one.
nice video.
And for that reason, I am saying every time all ILEAD students are always energetic to do anything. And they are very helpful, really very much cooperative in every aspect of whatever the events happens in ILEAD. Always, every time, they're very much cooperative.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now we have an entertainment bit for all of you. It's a song by Arjoita and Sadiq. It's a duet done totally digitally. So here it goes. Tamalda, please.
सफर मेरा है तू ही मेरी मंजिल तेरे बिना गुजारा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं
चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया ओ पिया
प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है
कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता
छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा
रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा कैसा तू
प्यार का नगमा है।
तुझसे ना जब से मिले, तुझसे ना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। तुझसे ना जब से मिले,
सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करके नहीं, ये दिल बेकरार करे के नहीं।
पीरो तेरे गीने गीने नैनों से शबनम, पीरो तेरे गीने गीने होठों की सरगम, पीरो है पीने का मौसम। तेरे संग शिकारी है, तेरे संग एक खुमारी है, तेरे संग चैन भी मुझको, तेरे संग बेकरारी।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए।
तेरा होने लगा हूँ जब से मिला हूँ।
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
वो जो मुझ में समाया, वो जो तुझ में समाया, मौला वही वही माया। कुन फाया कुन, कुन फाया कुन, फाया कुन, फाया कुन, फाया कुन, फाया कुन।
पहला नशा पहला खुमार,
अगर तुम साथ हो,
नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता।
अगर तुम साथ हो।
Lovely, lovely, super performance. I miss
is
having
brilliant.
this on stage. I miss having this on stage.
But ma'am, you have to agree that this digital platform is actually getting us more and more surprises.
Closer, absolutely.
Yes,
absolutely.
it's getting us more and more surprises. Hats off, Arjoita, Sadiq, both of you. Hats off.
Very good. Very nice performance.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Song selection. Yeah, it was brilliant.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
mashup.
this was a brilliant mashup.
And then
Brilliant
mashup.
mashup.
Shinjini, please take note. We need to do a similar mashup on the stage next year. Please note.
Madhuvanti.
Follow.
Yeah, I'll talk to you about this.
Yes, of course.
Note the point.
Yes, point noted. Brilliant this was. Arjoita Sadiq, brilliant.
Yes.
And hi, Pranya.
Yeah, Pranya, hi.
And it was making me nostalgic because I was going back to my college days and the songs from your college days and our college days are blended together. It's nice.
Yes,
Chita, it
ma'am.
has to be my college days. Your college days would have been even longer back.
Oh, actually, starting from my school days to my college days,
Yes.
actually, the span is actually, long enough. Yeah.
Thank you so much to all the teachers for all the love shown to this video. Well, it was really great to have Sadiq and Arjoita perform together. Thanks to the digital world to let us happen that. And Archon, are you there?
Yeah, obviously. Now I think it's time for the BMS mentors to enjoy the lovely words by our lovely students. Kamalda, are we ready?
I like it how you all copy the entire presentations. What mentors do for you, it's a similar way during the orientation program. It all translates into Teachers' Day. Lovely.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Aishwarya ma'am. Aishwarya ma'am is a teacher who is a little strict and serious, but as soon as you get to know her, she is super sweet, super caring, and she is so understanding, just like a mother. In fact, she's like a combination between a mother and a child, because when you're doing things wrong, she will scold you on those little things, and she also gets excited over little things like a kid, and that is just so pure. So thank you, ma'am, for being such a patient and entertaining teacher, and a great, beautiful human being. And a very happy Teachers' Day to you, ma'am. We love you.
Hello Aishwarya ma'am, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for always being there for me and guiding me. Like, you have not only taught us about studies, but you have also taught us how to tackle with problems and how to deal with them. You have always been my go-to person. I just can't thank you enough for always pushing me forward to do something great, and like, I'm sorry for disappointing you at times, but you've always been my favorite and you really mean a lot to me. Once again, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. Love you, ma'am.
Hello, Ankan sir. I hope you're doing fine and happy Teachers Day, sir. So, I would like to say a few words for you. So, sir, I respect you a lot, and at the same time, I look forward to ask some questions from you related to academic matters and non-academic matters. You are really frank in these things. So, whenever there is some problem, like I don't understand, I'm stuck that yes, at this time I should consult Ankan sir, and I should discuss about this thing with Ankan sir, and you're always there. So I am really thankful that whenever I'm in some kind of confusion, you help me out and you literally tell me that what to do, what not to do. You suggest me. So thank you, sir, for being there.
Very happy Teachers' Day to you, Ankan sir. So whenever we are learning in the class, you always tell us a new story about the current scenario or about the past. So it really adds up to our knowledge level, and it also makes the class really interesting. So thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for teaching us so well and being so polite and calm to us. And once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to you, sir.
Hello Shinjini ma'am, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. First of all, I would like to thank you for always guiding me and staying by my side like a elder sister, like a mother, and like a friend. You have always told me, Shreya, whenever you're in problem, just deal it with a smile, and you have always been positive. Like, I still remember whenever I had any problem related to life, college, I used to share with you, and you have given me the best solutions you can, and you have guided me in the best way possible. Thank you so much, ma'am, for always being there for me and guiding me. You really mean a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am. Love you, and once again, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
All the mentors of iLead are like the lifeline of the college. Whosoever asks me what's the best part of the college, I always say them that it's the set of faculty member that I've got, and I'm really proud of it. There has been not one mentor who hasn't inspired us and who hasn't motivated us. The contribution of each and every mentor of iLead is invaluable. The two mentors who stood out for me for one common reason are Shantan sir and Mom ma'am. Whenever I strike a conversation with them, be it small talk, I take back a colossal amount of knowledge with me that day. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors, and I hope to see you all in classrooms real soon.
Hello, Shantan sir. First of all, thank you so much for actually making me watch different kind of films. I was very stubborn when it comes to watching movies or the kind of movies that I used to watch. But because of you, I started watching new kind of films. I started exploring. I started experimenting. So this is something I will always be thankful to you. So thank you so much. And the most important thing, happy Teachers' Day. I am really lucky to have a teacher like you in my life. So thank you so much.
Hello Shubham sir, happy Teachers Day to you and a very happiest birthday sir. এই মেসেজটা তোমার জন্য। ফার্স্ট অফ অল তোমার কাছ থেকে ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে প্রচুর শিখেছি। হোয়াট ইজ ফটোগ্রাফি কিছুই জানতাম না, এখন যা জানি জাস্ট বিকজ অফ ইউ। তুমি এরকমভাবে শিখিয়েছিলে বলেই ফটোগ্রাফির উপর এতটা ভালোবাসা এসে গেছে, নাহলে কোনোদিনও আসতো না। তুমি অলওয়েজ একটা সবাইকে তুমি দাদার মতন গাইড করেছো অ্যান্ড এখনও করো কোনো দরকার হলে। আগে শুভমদা, তো আমরা সবাই তোমাকে ভালোবাসি স্যার, খুব 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 ভালোবাসি স্যার। তুমি ভালো থেকো আর তুমি এরকমই থেকো আমাদের পাশে, অলওয়েজ এরকম সাপোর্ট করেছো।
A very happy Teachers Day to all the mentors, especially to Shubham sir, because sir, you are one of the reasons that we have survived our first semester so efficiently. To be honest, away from home, away from everyone else, especially school, you became more of a friend and your classes became our second home, a place where you want to go back again and again. And talking about classes, ever since you have taken our classes on 4 consecutive classes on exposure triangle, every second student of yours has become a hashtag photographer. So sir, thank you so much for teaching us so many things, but to be honest, this is still not our biggest achievement. Our biggest achievement till today is not forgetting the letter H in your name. So I want to go back to the first semester and relive the same moment again and again. And or maybe if I could live it a bit more longer, but apparently even our seniors do not give us enough time to speak. So sir, happy Teachers Day again, and thank you so much for everything you did for us and every moment you have shared with us. Thank you so much.
Hello sir. So I need to thank you for a lot of things. Number one, thank you so much for choosing me as your group's orientation buddy. I mean, if I wasn't your group's orientation buddy in Orientation 2020, I would have missed out on plenty of stuff. Number two, thank you so much for suggesting me all the great films, documentaries, and sending me links to various interesting webinars like storytelling, photography, filmmaking. There's just so much, and I would also love to see some of your works as well, because I haven't seen any of your works, sir. And what else? I hope that I can watch more films in these upcoming days so that I can indulge in interesting conversations about cinema with you in the future. And lastly, a very, very happy Teachers Day, sir.
Bishwadeep sir, or as I would like to call him, Biswa sir, considering that he is so funny even without trying, is that mentor who makes us feel that he is one of us, that he is a friend. Classes with sir are always full of laughter, and I think I speak for everyone when I say this, that he made an otherwise boring subject like history interesting for us. In millennial terms, he is the complete chill mentor, and I think one of the great things that I have learned from him is not to take things too seriously and just be yourself unapologetically. So thank you sir for being such a great mentor, and a very happy Teachers Day to you.
So I chose Viravri Bandhopadhyay and Dibojyoti Bhattacharya. Oh, okay. I know you got confused, so let me do this again. So I choose Neera ma'am and DJ sir. Now I know guys. For me, Neera ma'am is a true example of self-made woman. I love her personality. I love her jokes. I love her dressing. One quotation that I choose for Neera ma'am, that is, I am a woman, hear me roar. Next is DJ sir. DJ sir is awesome. DJ sir is my main supporter. DJ sir always give me the content for making memes. Be aware. He's my local guardian, I can say that. So he always supports everyone, helps everyone, always available for everyone, anytime. रात के 2 बजे 3 बजे just text him and he's like yes, follow. quotation for DJ sir. You have to be odd to be number one. If you know what I mean.
Hello, Nirabari ma'am. First of all, happy Teachers' Day. You have always inspired me to be a better person, to be a better student, to be someone just like you. You are such a charismatic person. I think even you don't know this. Whenever I look at you, all I feel is that I can be a better person as well. I can learn something from her every time she walks in that classroom. So thank you for making me feel that way. And all students need teachers like you. So thank you so much. Bye.
Hello ma'am, I hope by looking at my face you know that this video is for you. Today I feel is the perfect day for thanking you for each and everything you've done for me and for each and everything you've guided me for. Thank you for always being there for me. You should definitely get to know that you are my favorite mentor and I know I'm your favorite student. So, yours wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day, Rajlakshmi ma'am. I really miss having these long conversations with you over a cup of coffee in Chinatown, and I really hope to see you soon. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors.
Hello, ma'am. So, firstly, thank you so much for taking the initiative to take our theatre classes last semester. Both the practical as well as the theory classes were equally amazing and fun. And I would actually miss both of them. Okay, maybe not so much because I did join the theatre club and I hope that I would be able to see more of you after the college reopens post this lockdown situation. So let's see what's in store for us. And also thank you so much for inspiring me to be a better human being, be more confident in whatever I do, and a better debater despite whatever may have happened in the past, which is our inside joke. But nevertheless, a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Manish sir, thank you for being the teacher who have inspired me to be better. So this Teachers' Day, I want to tell you rest why studio feels like a home to me. It is because it has a mentor who have motivated me, supported me, stood for me every time, who have made me what I am today. You have played a big part in it. So happy Teachers' Day to you all.
Thank you so much, Uncle sir, Aishwarya ma'am, Sanjini ma'am, Madhu ma'am, Pumya ma'am, Manish sir, Sudeep sir, Ranjan sir. Special thank you for my special mentor, Junaid sir, Vishwadeep sir, Shantan sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Also, thank you, Surjit da. I miss you. That's all I think. Bye.
It was such a lovely video. Happy birthday, Shubham sir. Happy birthday, Shubham sir.
Very
We're
happy
waiting for
birthday,
Orjita's
Shubham
bike.
sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you,
Happy
thank you
birthday,
so
Shubham.
Happy birthday, Shubham.
Happy birthday, Shubham.
Happy birthday,
Thank you, sir.
Shubham.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Shubham.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Shubham. Happy birthday, Shubham.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Happy Teachers' Day to you.
Okay, the next video is all credit goes to the organizing committee for the scouting the best dancers in iLead. If you know what I mean, then it's okay. And if you don't know, you can watch the video to know what I exactly mean. So, Kamal, I would request you to play the video.
रंग
जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी है, महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं हैं, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं हैं, खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं हैं, बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं हैं, जागी उमंगे है, धड़क रहा है दिल, सांसों में तूफान है, होठों पे नगमे है, आंखों में सपने हैं, सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे हैं, जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था, दिल में समाया था, कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया था, प्यारे से चेहरे पे बिखरी जो जुल्फे, तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे कोहरे के पीछे एक ओस में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है, जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपा है और झांक रहा है, जैसे रात के पर्दे में एक सवेरा है, रोशन रोशन आंखों में सपनों का सागर, जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे झलक रही है, लहरों लहरों बात करे तो जैसे मोती बरसे, जैसे कहीं चांदी की पायल गूंजे, जैसे कहीं शीशे के जाम गिरे और छन से टूटे, जैसे कोई छिप के सितार बजाए, जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में गाए, जैसे कोई हौले के पास बुलाए, कैसी मीठी बातें थी वो, कैसी मुलाकातें थी वो, जब मैंने जाना था नजरों से कैसे पिघलते हैं दिल और आरज़ू पानी है, कैसे मंजिल और कैसे उतरता है चांद जमीन पर, कैसे कभी लगता है स्वर्ग अगर है तो बस है यहीं पर, जो मेरे दिन और अब जो मेरी रातें हैं, उनमें सिर्फ आंसू हैं, उनमें सिर्फ दर्द की रंज की बातें हैं और फरियादें हैं, मेरा अब कोई नहीं, मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं, मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं, मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं.
Well, that was the performance of Yukti and Shreya. Well, it was amazing, and we all loved it so much. Arjun, are you there? I think we are having some network issues. But we have some questions lined up for you all, and it's nothing but a relation to the theme, and it's totally on you who all wants to answer. And we want to ask is to any of the mentors who are coming up voluntarily, anyone who wants to speak with us? Okay. Ankan, sir, are you there?
Yes, yes.
So, Ankan, the question for you is that by the color of red, what all things do you connect to iLead to? Like even the mentors and everything, what all the things that you connect to iLead by the color of red? Red.
Some walls I can connect with. Near assets I can see a red background, I think. And I have a wish basically. The newfound area, like where the cafeteria is, I always thought of that if that particular wall, which is basically visible from that thing, so it should be red. So this is what I just always have felt about.
I think we always relate the color of red, the color red with passion, right? Like one of the attributes of the color is passion. And I think iLead has this passion, and I think I have been associated with iLead for almost, I think, more than 3.5 years now. So what I see is the passion to grow, the passion to, move ahead. That is, I think, within the students, within the mentors, and I think the collaboration of the student and mentors together under the guidance of sir and ma'am, I think the passion I can really relate with Red and iLead. I don't know, it just came to my mind, so I said.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ishita ma'am, will you like to share something that comes in your mind by the color? If I say about iLead by the color, maybe orange or yellow?
Oh, very tough question actually. You are the persons who are in media and really think about these things. I have never thought of it. Yellow and orange, what is actually represents. I think that yellow.
It's basically power and cherishing life. Orange is for colors that energy.
Then, if you say power, then I will always say that knowledge is power. And yes, the moment we enter iLead, all of us, actually, we are there to give and take knowledge. And not only that, the teachers are sharing their knowledge. Every day, lot of things I learn from my students. Mostly in this digital time, lot of digital problems that I face, my students helped me. So I have learned a lot from them also. So I'm thankful that so many vibrant generation I'm dealing with, and they are teaching me a lot of things.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So now, in that sense, teacher says to you people also.
So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. it's like
let's
a different thing
ask the
also,
same
right?
question
Thank
to
you so much.
Aniruddha sir as well. Aniruddha sir, can we have your answer, sir, please?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I think the color of eyelid is basically the videos. So many colors, so many, people with so many thoughts, new things are coming up. It is, as Isha ma'am has correctly said, it is also the learning and unlearning process on both the sides. Okay, we learn so many things. So many things are happening. You teach us so many things also, sir. This is happening. This type of app is available, and so many other things. So it's a happy Teachers Day to everyone for attending here. Okay, so that is the thing. You share so many out of the box ideas. When we ask questions in the class, you share so many out of the box ideas, and that is really fascinating.
So this is like, we are feeling so different right now. We can't even explain how we feel listening to this. Well, Archana will be more than happy to listen to all the appraisals that we are getting. Well, Hera Archana.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. It means a lot. Well, we learn so much from you. It's a big thing to know that you all also learn certain things from us. It's a big thing.
Yes, absolutely. Is Madhumita ma'am there from animation? Ma'am, are you there? I think she's not. Okay.
Madhumita ma'am.
So without any further ado, we'll go to the next video. Another surprise video for our lovely mentors. I would request Kamalda to play it.
Hello. Hello.
I would like to convey my regards to Pradeep sir. When I came to Elite College, it's really special for me to meet the mentor like you. You have given such a beautiful business ideas you have given, and you have given different kinds of business strategies and always motivated us to achieve our entrepreneurial dream. And I would like to congratulate a very happy Teachers Day, Pradeep sir. Thank you so much.
Dear Pradeep sir, the way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. A very happy Teachers Day to our beloved Pradeep sir.
হ্যাপি টিচার্স ডে টু অল অফ আওয়ার মেন্টার্স। প্রত্যেককে থ্যাংক ইউ আমাদের এতটা পাশে থাকার জন্য, এত কিছু শেখানোর জন্য, আমাদের এত ভালোভাবে গাইড করার জন্য। আর স্পেশালি তোমাকে থ্যাংক ইউ অমরদা, তুমি আমাদের মানে কী বলবো মেন্টার্স বা টিচারদের মতন একটা দাদার মতো আমাদের গাইড করো, দাদার মতো শাসন করো। সো থ্যাংক ইউ ফর এভরিথিং। আর কলেজ খুললে অবশ্যই দেখা হচ্ছে তোমার সাথে। Thank you.
Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you for always being there for us, and special thanks to Amarnath. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you for always being there for us. Special thanks to Ira ma'am. I'm deeply thankful that you are my teacher. Thank you.
Very happy Teachers Day to all my mentors, all my teachers. So এই বছর আমরা কিছু বড় করার প্ল্যান করতে পারিনি due to this current pandemic situation, but just so you know that all of us students love all you teachers from the depth of our hearts. So college life ta shuru kora was not like a very small thing. It was like a very big thing. It was a new beginning to our lives, and you became a really great part of it. So I would especially like to thank Olivia ma'am and Pallab sir. So Pallab sir is like the sweetest person in the world. আর আমি ওনার কাছে কখনো ঝাড় খাইনি, আশা করছি খাই না এই জীবনে, বাট অলিভিয়া ম্যামের কাছে হ্যাঁ মাঝে মাঝে ঝাড় খাই, বাট শি ইজ অলসো ভেরি সুইট. সো thanks to both of you, thanks to all my teachers for being such a special part of my life, thanks to all of you for being so friendly to us, and yeah, again wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. Thanks a lot.
This is Satyajit Pandey from BSc Data Science. Greeting to all the lovely mentors out there who have been a constant support and has guided us in every step. Thank you to you all for guiding us to being a human rather than just being a normal human being. A special heartfelt mention to the two souls who have been the constant support and guide and has spent the most time with the BSc Data Science department. That is Subhadeep sir and Rajat sir. Thanks a hell lot to you both for giving us even the non-bookish knowledge. We owe you a lot.
I am Sanalita Maji of BSc Data Science, wishing all the lovely teachers out there a very happy Teachers Day, and thank you for shaping us into whatever we are today. We love you.
A teacher is a friend, philosopher and guide. ছোটবেলা থেকে এটাই শুনে আসছি, আর হ্যাঁ আজকে গর্ববোধ করে বলতে পারি এই কোর্সটা প্রত্যক্ষভাবে উপলব্ধি করার সৌভাগ্য আমার হয়েছে। শুধু আমার নয়, আমাদের ব্যাচের সবার হয়েছে। সেটা আপনার জন্য শুভদীপ স্যার। প্রথম দিন থেকে আপনি আমাদের পাশে থেকেছেন, গাইড করেছেন, মোটিভেট করেছেন, স্টিল করছেনও। আমরা শুধু এটুকুই আশা করি ভবিষ্যতেও আপনার এই গাইডেন্সের সৌভাগ্য যেন আমাদের প্রাপ্য হয়। এছাড়াও বাকি সমস্ত ফ্যাকাল্টি মেম্বার, স্টাফ এবং প্রফেসরসদের আমরা আন্তরিকভাবে ধন্যবাদ জানাই আমাদের পাশে থাকার জন্য। আইলিড কলেজের সমস্ত শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাদেরকে এমএসসি ডেটা সায়েন্সের পক্ষ থেকে আন্তরিকভাবে শুভ শিক্ষক দিবস। ধন্যবাদ।
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers we have in ESSETS, Alok sir, Sebal sir, Preeti ma'am, Ankita ma'am, Bernali ma'am, Rajeshwari ma'am, all the teachers of ESSETS. You all are really great, and thank you so much for all the hard work and efforts you put in for our betterment, and you all provided such a good platform for showcasing our talents. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for keeping up with our mischiefs. I know we're really sorry for that, and we love you so much. Thank you for always making the classes so fun. It's like a party always going on. It's really fun to learn in ESSETS, and thank you so much for that. Happy Teachers Day.
Okay, the next act is really surprising for us. Our Sujata OP is going to do something which is very different. Let's see that video.
माँ बाप के चेहरे के बाद दूसरे चेहरे पे यकीन करना आपने सिखाया। टीचर्स दोस्त भी हो सकते हैं, ये आपने ही बताया। टीचर माँ बाप का दूसरा रूप है, ये भरोसा हमने खुद को दिलाया। हमारी तकलीफ को खुद की तकलीफ समझकर आपने हमेशा हाथ बढ़ाया और हमेशा सही का साथ देना सिखाया। जब भी हम अपने सपनों को पूरा करने से डरते थे तो अपनी कहानी सुनाकर हमें आगे बढ़ने सिखाया। मैं खुश हूँ कि मैंने आप जैसे टीचर्स का अपने जर्नी में साथ पाया। कभी शांत, कभी धीर, स्वभाव से सदा गंभीर, मन में दबी है ये इच्छा, काश मैं बन सकती आप जैसा। थैंक यू सो मच। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Amazing, Sujata. I have seen you on the field. I have seen you hitting guys. I have seen you making memes, but I have never seen you like this.
No, but
That is
Sujata,
the best. This is the best one.
So it's Sujata OP right now, right? Sujata?
It's Sujata OP, ma'am. Sujata OP.
Sujata OP.
Yes.
No, one thing. Sujata has powers in her words, as always. We keep on saying her that, and see, you also have powers.
Sujata writes really well.
Very well.
Sujata
very well.
writes really well. I've read a lot from her.
So yeah,
She's
actually,
really
Madhubali,
nice.
this I think only you knew. Maybe you were.
Yes, because she keeps on
yes.
sending me. So yeah, I know.
Yes, so yeah, brilliant, Sujata, brilliant. At that time, I didn't get to mention, but yes, Shreya and Yukti, both of you, hands down. Wow.
It was a
Actually,
real
Shreya
breathless
was a
performance.
surprise for me. Actually,
Shreya was a surprise, actually.
Yeah, Shreya was a
actually,
surprise.
Shreya-
She's such
No,
a
but
graceful dancer.
But actually,
Yeah,
Shreya
she
wasn't
keeps
a
on
surprise
uploading.
for cultural.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah, she
because
keeps
we have
on
seen.
uploading videos also in Facebook.
yes.
So she's a
Okay,
very good
maybe
dancer.
she's not.
very good
I don't
dancer.
follow her, so maybe that's the reason. So I was
She is a
completely.
beautiful
Of course,
singer
Yukti we have
also.
seen constantly, but Shreya was a surprise to me, and she's so graceful.
Shreya is the
Yes.
perfect balance of good academics and good talent. I would say
Yes,
that.
I guess.
She's like always on top of things in class, and then she's so graceful.
Always very good in academics as well.
So yeah, Sujata, you have upgraded yourself from being an entertainer and being savage in the chat box all the time. So you have upgraded yourself to
Why
being
chat box? Her status too, Shinjini, remarkable status.
No, I don't
No,
have a
I
number,
think-
so I don't
I
get to
think-
see your status.
I
I
keep on
think
commenting on her
creative people are
status.
savage.
Yeah, I
I
guess so.
keep on
And
commenting
then
on her. Yes.
for the BSc, I think for the media, the entire that template of the presentation was really nice. But
Yeah, this was
I beg
beautiful.
to differ that you guys are poor souls.
Poor
Okay, I
souls and
really beg to
innocent.
differ on that point.
Innocent.
Yes,
I don't
and
know.
they are
I don't know
innocent.
which is the which
Yes,
is the
they are
dictionary
poor
meaning of
souls.
innocent in
No,
the
no,
first
no, no.
place.
Yeah,
because,
you are getting them wrong. They are innocent, but the innocence meaning has changed. It is
No, I
okay to
completely
that is
agree
what-
they
that
are
is what- that is
monkeys.
what. It's-
No, there was this phrase also that
Yeah,
they are
monkeys,
monkeys.
yeah, monkey.
Yeah, so I completely agree to that. but
that
you
is
having-
that was written when they were standing in front of a mirror, and then they wrote innocent and
Yeah,
all. I
and
don't know why.
Orchun, this is to you as well. Orchun and Ananya, both of you. I don't think
Yes,
you are
Yeah,
poor
you
souls and
people
you
did
have
an
innocent
amazing.
curve. No,
I don't know so much about Orchun, but Ananya did an amazing job.
Oh
Ma'am,
no,
what is this
no,
partiality,
no.
ma'am?
Oh no.
This is Orchun special. This is Orchun special.
Orchun did a fantastic job.
And this is why I love Sabyasachi sir. Sabyasachi sir is mine, man.
Yes.
Nice. Sabyasachi sir is there to balance things all the time. I think
No,
the
but
king
I-
of balance is Shantan sir and then Sabyasachi sir. So
But
yeah.
I think I want to add
Orchun,
one thing.
ব্যালেন্সিং
Ma'am, not to forget
অর্জুন মনের
Devashish
দিক থেকে
sir.
খুব ভালো অর্জুন মনের দিক থেকে খুব ভালো
See, Devashish sir is
আমি
now
বলতেই
commenting
জানি।
on you, Orchun. I think
আরে,
this should make your day now.
আরে বাঁচাতে হবে তোকে সবাই ওকে ঝাড়ছে এটা ওকে আমি প্রথম দিন থেকেই দেখি
So yeah,
ক্লাসে
Orchun, your job is done, I guess. I guess
Sir,
now your
Orchun
job is done.
sir, Orchuনের কোন কোনটা আপনি ভালো দেখেছেন স্যার? আমরা তো এই
অর্জুনকে
মনটা
আমার
দেখতে পাই না স্যার।
অর্জুনকে আমার খুব ভালো লাগে ও কিরম ভালো ছেলের মতো ঢুকে মেন্টাস রুমে ঝাড় খেয়ে আবার বেরিয়ে যায় এটা আমি প্রত্যেক দিনই দেখে গেছি
Sir, the journey is the journey is not important. It is about winning at the last, and I did it well, sir. So it's
আচ্ছা বাহ বাহ থ্যাংক ইউ অর্জুন
থাকা ভালো মানে
অর্চন দি বাজিগর।
অর্চন তুই এবার নেক্সট নাইকির অ্যাডটা ডিজাইন কর এইসব কথা বলে।
actually
It's
আচ্ছা,
about
অর্চুন কি
equal
গোল
the
করে
end.
রেখেছিস মাঝে মাঝে?
অর্চুন তো ভালো
যাই হোক সব মিলিয়ে তো অর্চন ওপি হয়ে গেল এবার।
না সব মিলিয়ে
Yeah,
অর্চুনের আজকে
ma'am, this
তিনটা
is
ভালো
not
আছে
happening.
অসুবিধা নেই
Not,
सबका हिडन
I
टैलेंट
feel
निकल
I
रहा है
should have asked for attention. मेरे को भी attention चाहिए Orchun
হ্যাঁ
के
ওটা
जैसे.
সেটাই তো वही
No,
हम बोल
that's
रहे हैं ना
Orchun's
so
middle name. That's Orchun's middle name. Orchun Attention Chakraborty.
চক্রবর্তী yes
it's like कौन है जो
High five,
पुपुन
Shiji.
আর শোন না আমি একটা ছোট্ট কথা
Oh,
বলি
yes.
তুই আমার নোটস গুলো নিচ্ছিস তো পরীক্ষাগুলো দিস কিন্তু হ্যাঁ
ও তো মহিমা
হ্যাঁ,
থেকে
যা
নিচে
ম্যাম
হ্যাঁ,
ম্যাম
বলছে।
তোমার জন্য সবকিছু ম্যাম
ও
I think
বাবা
we are-
বাবা বাট আমার
Orchun,
আমার
you're
তোর
saying
সম্বন্ধে
this
কিছু
on a
বলার নেই।
public platform, so you have to keep on, তোকে মাথায় রাখতে
না
হবে।
বাট মধুবন্তী আমার স্টিল ওর সম্বন্ধে কিছু বলার নেই
it's okay
Exactly.
ma'am you
এত মানে
are
don't try too hard.
ma'am try hard or go home okay ma'am
মানে
I think
ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে দেখ অর্চনকে তোরা এত ফুটেজ দিচ্ছিস আমি কথা বলছি না তাও ফুটেজ পেয়েই যাচ্ছে মানে ও তো মানে আজকের দিনটা প্রচন্ড বেশি সেলিব্রেট করবে।
ওই রেকর্ডিংটা তমালদার থেকে এইটা শেষ হওয়ার পরেই নেবে।
একেবারেই আর
নিয়ে
আগের
ফেসবুকে আপলোড
সেশনটা
করবে।
হলো ওর সম্বন্ধে আর এই সেশনটা যেটা আগে না ওর সম্বন্ধে হলো,
রেকর্ডিং ও পুরো রেকর্ডিংটাই নেবে এবং ওটাকে ভালো করে ভাঙবে,
ভেঙে তারপরে আবার এডিট করে আবার আপলোড করবে।
আচ্ছা আমরা অর্চনা আলাদা ক্যাপসুল বানাবো কি একখানা? ঠিক আছে ওটা বানিয়ে দেবো।
দেবজ্যোতি প্লিজ ইনভলভ সুজাতা, মানে উই মাস্ট ইউ নো মেক আ থিং আউট অফ দিস।
মানে বোঝা যাচ্ছে অর্জুনকে সবাই ভালোবাসে।
হ্যাঁ ভীষণ, from the core of our
মহিমা,
hearts.
হর্ষিতা, অনন্যা
If
সবাই
it was sarcasm,
কিছু না কিছু কন্ট্রিবিউট করতে পারবে এই ভিডিওটাতে।
I think, ma'am, thank you everybody, ma'am. Thank you so much.
We
I just didn't want
a
this.
hair flip from Arjun now.
I just didn't want this session to be a boring session, ma'am. So it was lovely that you roasted me. I feel like Dilip Ghosh or anybody from AIB, but I loved it.
It's a pleasure to make myself Murga of the day. Thank you for making me Murga with pleasure.
Mahima says that Arjun got more attention than the teachers.
Yeah, Arjun, you're OP now. Don't become the OP, okay?
But
Arjun is the honestly epitome of any publicity is publicity.
Yes, ma'am. I just do this kind of publicity stunt, but there are certain figures without whom these things wouldn't have been possible. First things is Manish, Akash, Harshita, and Ananya, and obviously this alumni club and the student affairs club. And this has been such a great show. And if this continues, this is my last year, but for the next few years of my life, I would love to continue this on this particular occasion of Teachers Day. This was a lovely session, ma'am. And thank you.
অনিন্দিতা দি, এটা তোমার জন্য নোট ছিল যে ওকে ডাকার জন্য।
মানে
এটা নোট তো অনিন্দিতা দি, ম্যাম আমাকে দেখো, আমাকে চাই।
Oh, he has really done a very good job, very good job. Along with Harshita and Ananya, Akash, Manish, everyone they have been working for the last 1.5 weeks, and yesterday night they were almost awake and doing things together, just putting up things together to put up this show. And really, I'm also very thankful to them. Thank you so much.
Truly, thank you very much.
Thank you, seriously.
It made us It really made us feel loved and made our day.
Thank you, students. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, it's a nice
Teachers Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, everyone, ma'am. And Shubho Shikkok Divas.
আবার চলে এসেছে
শুভ শিক্ষক দিবস, ঠিক।
আবার সোমবার থেকে চালু কিন্তু পড়াশোনা হয়ে গেছে, আজকে শেষ। শুভ শিক্ষক দিবস।
তখনই আসল শিক্ষক দিবসটা হবে,
তখনই বেরোবে সব। এই সপ্তাহটা ওরিয়েন্টেশনে ক্লাসগুলো বেঁচে গেছে, কষ্ট করতে হয়নি। সোমবার থেকে
3 দিন বেঁচে গেছে সবাই, সোমবার থেকে। সুজাতা ऐसे মুভমেন্ট বানাও। You are right on like the first interface of my Zoom screen, so I can see you first.
सुजाता कुछ बोल के खत्म करते मीटिंग। सुजाता तू कुछ बोल दे भाई।
Bye. Sujata will.
বলছে বাই।
বাই বলছে বাই। Perfect, Sujata, perfect.
No, it was love having all you.
Oh my God, Mahima says
Mahima is a proposal, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please,
Monday holiday proposal.
I think guys, let Pragya ma'am decide that for you.
Yes, I'm
Debashish sir is here.
Guys,
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
had holiday for last 6 months.
Monday holiday.
Virtual
demand, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please, Pragya ma'am.
Ma'am, for a change, please call us to college, ma'am. We'll love to go there.
We too.
Oh, holiday, I think we should just continue the way we are continuing. Stay connected on Zoom and enjoy.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for saying this, ma'am. The mentors are happy.
Look at the thanking volume of Ananya. It was not from her heart.
Yes.
It was from her throat.
Anindita, we thank the students, the alumni and the student affairs club actually, and you.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Anindita di, thanks. We are really thankful for putting this together.
Thank you, Anindita.
Beautiful.
Very hard.
তোমাকে bottom of the heart থেকে ফুটেজ দিচ্ছি
হ্যাঁ।
অর্জুন না আলিয়ার মতো নয়
অন্যদের কিছু বলো যাতে তুমি স্ক্রিনে আসো পুরো ফুটেজটা পাও।
আমি অর্চনার মতন হতে পারলাম না। I'm always a person who works from behind and I will continue doing that. পারলাম না এটা।
Sanchita ma'am and Anandita ma'am have been of great support, to be very honest, in these 1.5 weeks.
So on this platform, I think I am the only capable person to do this. Happy Teachers Day to Sanchita ma'am, who's a teacher to me.
Yes.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes, Who's a teacher
Thank
to
you,
me.
Madhurati. And happy Teachers Day to you also. And
Thank
to
you, thank you.
all the teachers over here, Pradeep sir, Pragya ma'am. Thank you very
Happy
much.
Teachers Day, Sanchita ji.
All the teachers are really helpless without Sanchita ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Absolutely,
I would
absolutely.
hands down agree.
Absolutely.
Hands down
Thank
agree.
you.
Like the quintessential go-to person for anything.
Yes.
Thank you to all of you.
And any student coming to IELTS, the first information every mail received from hard desk only. This is the rule. This is the way. This is the deadline.
Yes, yes, yes.
We miss her talking to the students in a very humorous manner when they do not give their address and all. Remember what she does?
Yeah, I remember those phone calls
Yes,
she used
yes,
to
yes.
make to the
Absolutely.
parents and
Yes.
students.
She can
Yeah, the
also be
parents
savage.
also, the hilarious conversation.
Yeah, and Sujata,
Absolutely.
believe you me, she can give you a good competition.
Yes, yes. You don't know her savageness when she talks
She can
to
actually
parents
give you
and
a good
students.
competition to you, Sujata. Believe you me.
Thank you. I feel very good.
I think the
I
most
guess
fun part. I think the most fun part of us, the mentors. I think when we are wishing Teachers Day to our teachers, they are wishing us back. Like
Back.
the way
Yes,
they
yes,
did
yes,
it
yes,
right
yes.
now. They
No,
are
Yes.
today
wishing us
morning I
Yes.
had the same thing. I wish some of
Yes.
my teachers, they also wish me.
Same for me. I wished my masters and graduation and school teachers, and they wished me back. They said
Even
happy
me,
Teachers
even me.
Day to you too.
And Shubham has a complimentary offer on that. Happy birthday and happy Teachers Day.
Yeah, Shubham, really.
Yes, yes. Shubham,
What a
Shubham,
day.
Shubham
So
is
what a day to be born.
Yes, I'm totally
Yeah.
overwhelmed.
Born teacher, ma'am.
Happy
Born
birthday.
teacher.
Born teacher,
Happy
born
birthday.
teacher.
born
yeah.
teacher. Yes, yes, absolutely.
Born to teach.
Thank
And
you
I am
so
in a
much.
mid zone. Some of my students also have become teachers now. So today actually the message is coming and going from
এটা
three
শুভমের
generations of
ক্ষেত্রে
teachers.
অ্যাপ্লিকেবল ইসিদা দি ওটা শুভমের ক্ষেত্রে অ্যাপ্লিকেবল ওকে তো আমি পড়িয়েছি তাই তো শুভম
একদম ম্যাম
আমিও পড়িয়েছি
পড়িয়েছি একটা সেমিস্টার
সবাই।
যদিও
আমি
একটা
একটা
semester
সেমিস্টার
যদিও।
পড়িয়েছি
বাট এখন আমি আরো বেশি কিছু শিখছি
কি হয় শুভ পড়াতে আরো বেশি শেখা যায়
একদম
Exactly.
থ্যাংক
Learning
ইউ সো
never
মাচ
ends.
অল অফ ইউ
নো একটা কথা কি ঠিক বলো তো আমরা কিন্তু স্টুডেন্টদের থেকে টেকনিক্যালিটি অনেক শিখি আই হ্যাভ লার্ন
হ্যাঁ a lot.
আমি
lot.
শিখেছি সিনেমা পাইরেসি করে ডাউনলোড করা থেকে আরম্ভ করে technically I have learned all and I have become a real pro in these things.
ऐश्वर्या এসব বলো না এসব বলো না এগুলো কি
Aishwarya,
live এ
it's
বলো।
being recorded. Recorded.
লাইভে বলতে নেই এসব।
ম্যাম আমরা ফেসবুক লাইভ করছি সবাই শেয়ার করেছে প্লিজ এসব বলো না
ऐश्वर्या তোমাকে পাইরেসি ডিপার্টমেন্ট করতে আসবে এবারে তুমি
বলো
লুকিয়ে পড়ো।
স্টুডেন্টদের ধরো আমি ওদের থেকে শিখেছি আমি তো অবোধ বালিকা
Okay, ma'am.
The
Sure,
innocence
sure.
card turned over.
thank you
Okay.
so much everyone
Yeah, I think overall thanks to
So
everybody.
much, everyone.
Yeah, thank you for this lovely
ঠিক আছে
program.
এবার আমাদের এমএসসি টা অনেকটা বড় হয়ে গেছে মিউচুয়াল অ্যাডমিরেশন ক্লাব আই থিংক উই শুড
Then I think that is this where we say goodbye or something like that?
yes ma'am that would be
by the way who is supposed
I don't
to
know this
say
was
bye?
one of the hardest goodbyes yeah because we were really enjoying
Yes,
exactly yeah
Ma'am, it was so lovely to see all you teachers again. Like, it is after so many days, it feels like I'm back to inside the mentor's room and like you're all talking, and it's so nice to feel the same way again. And thank you so much for being so sporting and talking to us just the way you guys are and admiring us. And a very happy Teachers Day from our side, from all of us. And thank you so much.